Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to withdraw from your Poppo Live account. So, let's get started. Click on the points where the arrow is pointing, and it will take you to this page. From here, click on the Withdraw Now button to load the page where you can add the withdrawal method you want to use. In this video, we will be using the ByBit exchange because Binance does not allow Nigerians to trade P2P. Now to add your USDT TRC20 wallet address, click here. This is the 4 withdrawal methods available. You can use ePay, USDT, TRC20, Binance BEP20, or Nigeria Bank Transfer. Like I said earlier, we will be using USDT. If you don't have a ByBit account yet, you can use the link in the description box below to sign up. Let's proceed to get your USDT TRC20 wallet address. Take a look at my unified wallet. I have $2.28 in my account balance. Click on the funding section where the arrow is pointing and click on Deposit Crypto. Then click on USDT and select TRC20. Now, copy the address by clicking where the arrow is pointing. Now, come back to Poppo Live and click on the points. Click on the Withdraw Now button and select the withdrawal method you want to use. Click here. Click on View to add the wallet address you copied from ByBit. Enter your password, paste the link, and click on Submit. Congratulations, you have successfully bind your USDT TRC20 wallet with your Poppo account. Click here to continue. Click on Withdraw Now. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Click on Submit and confirm by typing in your 6-digit password to approve the withdrawal. Boom! The withdrawal was successful. Now, let's check the date and time. Same-day payment dropped into my ByBit funding wallet. It's that quick. If you have learned something from this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to be notified when we drop new videos like this. Thank you for watching.